Well, hey, sugar. Welcome to Sugar Pearls. I'm your host, Carla Renee, and it is time for another great recipe spaghetti and mussels. Now, this is a great meal on the cheap. Pasta goes a long way, and we're going to elevate this dish. So, give me a little bit of time, and I'll show you how to take a simple meal to the next level. Go ahead and render up some andouille sausage. Get it nice. It doesn't have to be crispy, but you do want some brown parts of the sausage and you want some of that flavor from the oil out of there. I got some onions chopped up in there, that spring onion from my farmer's market, and some sweet grape tomatoes. Oh my goodness. Just go ahead and lay them in there. We want everything kind of seared up. Doesn't have to be brown, but we want a little crust, a little flavor on our tomatoes and our sausage. And we want to get some pan goodies too. So sear them up. Now with this meal, you want to trust the process, okay? Add a little white wine. This is about a cup. And you can do vegetable stock or chicken stock or whatever, but I find that adding white wine to this dish gives it a nice, lifted, elevated flavor. All right, and you're doing it on the cheap with a pack of muscle meat, honey, $3. Soak it in heavy cream. Yeah, that's my secret. You're gonna have the most tender mussels when you soak it in that cream. All right, back to our pan where our white wine sauce is reducing a little bit. Add a half a stick of cold butter. Just when you think you've added too much, add a little bit more. Trust the process, baby. What we're trying to do is create a butter sauce that's gonna be just a little bit velvety with the tiniest amount of cream. So once you've added that butter, see how much the wine is cooked down already? And now your sauce is starting to come together. You got a little tomato in there, that sausage, those pan goodies scraped up. Look at that sauce. God almighty, that looks good. Don't it? Let it reduce a little bit more and then season to taste with a little salt and pepper. Still bubbling away there. And now, drop in your mussels ever so carefully. I know it looks so weird, but trust me, soaking your mussels in a little bit of salted heavy cream is going to become the new trend. Give it a hint of lemon juice. And look at what you've done. All because you trusted the process. Now you've got a white wine butter sauce with your mussels and andouille sausage. Add in your seasoned spaghetti. Give it a stir so all the noodles get some love. And dinner is ready. Just like that. Give it a healthy handful of tarragon. Get it stirred in once more. Now, when you're stirring here, making sure all of your ingredients are well incorporated throughout the meal. If you want to add a few more pats of butter, you can, or just go a couple of rounds with some olive oil. And look at what we've got, a big old bowl of spaghetti and mussels with a white wine butter sauce. So damn delicious. Let's give it a taste. Oh. It's unreal. It's so good. It's on the cheap too. The mussels only cost about $3 or $4 a pack. I already had the butter. I already had the onions, a little tomatoes. You're talking a 5-star meal right here in your kitchen, and you did it yourself. Look how beautiful. You gotta make this. You gotta eat this. It's spaghetti and mussels from SugarPearls. Food that loves you back. Eat good, sugar.